Bats, creatures of the night, shrouded in mystery and often misunderstood. They are unique and fascinating, the only mammals capable of true flight. Their ability to navigate and hunt in complete darkness using echolocation is a marvel of evolution. Bats are integral to the balance of our ecosystems, playing vital roles in pollination, seed dispersal, and insect control. The need to separate fact from fiction when it comes to bats has never been greater. By understanding the dietary habits of different bat species, we gain a deeper appreciation for their contribution to the delicate balance of our ecosystems. They are not creatures of darkness, but rather fascinating and essential members of our planet's intricate web of life. Bats possess an extraordinary ability to navigate and hunt in complete darkness using echolocation, a biological sonar system. This remarkable adaptation allows them to see with sound, creating a detailed acoustic map of their surroundings. The diversity and sophistication of bat echolocation systems are a testament to the power of natural selection. Bats are highly social animals, often roosting together in colonies that can range in size from a few individuals to millions. Caves are perhaps the most iconic bat roosts, providing a dark, humid, and relatively stable environment. Forests offer a plethora of roosting options, with bats taking up residence in tree cavities, under loose bark, or even amongst the foliage. In urban environments, bats have adapted to utilize man-made structures as roosts. Protecting bat roosts is crucial for the conservation of these fascinating and ecologically important animals. Journeys on the wing: the mystery of bat migration. While some bats remain in the same general area throughout the year, others embark on impressive migrations, traveling hundreds or even thousands of miles in search of food or suitable breeding grounds. The migratory patterns of bats are complex and not fully understood. Understanding bat migration patterns is crucial for conservation efforts, as it allows scientists and wildlife managers to identify important stopover sites and migratory corridors that require protection. A diverse palette, exploring the bat menu. The dietary habits of bats are as diverse as the bats themselves, with different species specializing in a wide range of food sources. Insectivorous bats play a crucial role in regulating insect populations, helping to keep agricultural pests in check and protect crops. Frugivorous bats act as important seed dispersers, helping to regenerate forests and maintain biodiversity. Nectarivorous bats play a vital role in the pollination of many plant species. Guardians of the night: insectivorous bats and pest control. Insectivorous bats are the unsung heroes of the night, quietly and efficiently controlling insect populations that could otherwise wreak havoc on crops, forests, and human health. Their ability to consume vast quantities of insects nightly makes them a powerful force in natural pest control. Studies have shown that the economic value of bats in terms of pest control services is significant. Recognizing the crucial role of insectivorous bats in pest control is essential for promoting their conservation. Nature's gardeners: the role of bats in pollination and seed dispersal. Nectarivorous bats, with their long tongues and ability to hover near flowers, are particularly well suited for pollination. Frugivorous bats contribute to seed dispersal by consuming fruits and defecating the seeds far from the parent plant. Bats are particularly important seed dispersers in tropical rainforests, where they help to regenerate forests and maintain biodiversity. Protecting bat populations and their habitats is crucial for maintaining healthy ecosystems and the services they provide. The circle of life: bats in the food chain. As predators, bats exert top-down control on insect populations. The interconnectedness of species in the food chain highlights the importance of maintaining healthy and balanced ecosystems. Dispelling the myths. Bats are not what you fear. Bats, often shrouded in darkness and mystery, have long been subject to myths and misconceptions that have fueled fear and misunderstanding. One common myth is that bats are blind, often associated with the saying, "blind as a bat." Another misconception is that bats are aggressive and will attack humans. By understanding their true nature and behaviors, we can coexist peacefully with these fascinating and beneficial creatures. Section 2. Separating fact from fiction: vampires and bloodthirsty tales. The association of bats with vampires, perpetuated by folklore and popular culture, has further fueled fear and misunderstanding about these nocturnal creatures. While the image of a blood-sucking bat might send shivers down your spine, it is essential to separate fact from fiction and understand the true nature of vampire bats and their feeding habits. Out of over 1,400 bat species worldwide, only 3 are vampire bats, all found in Central and South America. These specialized bats have evolved unique adaptations for feeding on blood, including sharp teeth for making small incisions, anticoagulants in their saliva to prevent clotting, and infrared sensors to detect blood flow. Contrary to popular belief, vampire bats rarely target humans. Their preferred prey are livestock, such as cattle and horses, and they typically feed for only a short period, consuming a small amount of blood without causing significant harm to their host. In fact, vampire bats have developed a symbiotic relationship with some livestock, providing a natural form of pest control by feeding on blood-sucking insects that can transmit diseases. It is important to note that vampire bats are not inherently evil or malicious. They are simply animals following their natural instincts and fulfilling their ecological role. Their specialized feeding habits, while seemingly gruesome to humans, are a testament to the diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. So the next time you encounter a bat, remember that the vast majority are not bloodthirsty vampires, but rather fascinating and beneficial creatures that play vital roles in our ecosystems. Section 3. Sharing our spaces, addressing conflicts between bats and humans. As human populations expand and encroach upon natural habitats, encounters between humans and bats are becoming increasingly common. Conflicts can arise when bats roost in buildings, causing concerns about damage, odor, or disease transmission. Addressing these conflicts humanely is crucial, recognizing the ecological importance of bats. Excluding bats from buildings while providing alternative roosting sites is effective. Seal entry points and install bat houses to provide safe roosting spaces. Bat houses come in various shapes and sizes and can be purchased or built at home. Bats are protected by law in many areas, and it is illegal to harm or kill them. Contact a qualified wildlife control professional for safe and humane bat removal. By mitigating conflicts, we can conserve bats and minimize risks to human health and property. Section 4. Guardians, not monsters, promoting a positive image of bats. Bats, often relegated to the shadows of fear and superstition, deserve a more positive image that reflects their ecological importance and the vital roles they play in our ecosystems. It's time to shift the narrative from one of fear to one of appreciation and recognize bats as guardians of the night, silently working to maintain the delicate balance of nature. Educating the public about bats, their biology, behavior, and ecological contributions is crucial for fostering appreciation and dispelling myths. Zoos, museums, nature centers, and conservation organizations play a vital role in raising awareness and promoting bat conservation through educational programs, exhibits, and outreach initiatives. Supporting bat research is essential for understanding bat populations, their habitat requirements, and the threats they face. Scientists rely on data collected through research to develop effective conservation strategies and advocate for the protection of bats and their habitats. Citizen science initiatives, such as bat monitoring programs, provide opportunities for the public to contribute to bat conservation by collecting valuable data on bat populations and distribution. These programs not only engage citizens in conservation efforts, but also enhance our understanding of bat ecology and the factors influencing their populations. By promoting a positive image of bats, we can inspire a new generation of bat advocates who recognize their importance and work to ensure their survival. Let us celebrate bats as the fascinating, beneficial, and essential creatures they truly are. Section 1. The Silent Guardians Recognizing the Value of Bats. As we've journeyed through the secret lives of bats, we've uncovered a world of extraordinary adaptations and ecological significance. Far from the creatures of darkness often portrayed in myth and folklore, bats emerge as essential contributors to the health and balance of our planet. Their ability to thrive in diverse environments, from lush rainforests to arid deserts, speaks volumes about their adaptability and resilience. Their nocturnal habits, once shrouded in mystery, have been illuminated, revealing a world of intricate sensory adaptations and ecological roles. We've witnessed the marvels of echolocation, allowing bats to navigate and hunt in complete darkness, and explored the diverse dietary habits that make them crucial pollinators, seed dispersers, and insect control agents. The economic and ecological value of bats cannot be overstated. Their contributions to agriculture through pest control and pollination save farmers billions of dollars annually and ensure the productivity of our crops. Their role in seed dispersal helps to regenerate forests, maintain biodiversity, and ensure the health of our ecosystems. Yet despite their importance, bats often go unnoticed, their silent flights through the night sky taken for granted. It's time to recognize the value of these often misunderstood creatures and appreciate the crucial roles they play in maintaining the delicate balance of nature. Section 2. Bats in peril. Threats to their survival. Despite their adaptability, bats face increasing threats due to human activities. Habitat loss, climate change, and disease are pushing many bat populations towards the brink. Deforestation driven by agriculture, logging, and urban expansion decimates bat habitats. Loss of roosting sites leaves bats vulnerable. Fragmentation of forest isolates bat populations. Climate change alters weather patterns, affecting food and roosting resources. Extreme weather events can lead to mass mortality. White nose syndrome highlights their vulnerability to diseases. Persecution and myths continue to threaten bats. Bats are often killed out of fear or as perceived pests. The decline of bat populations is a cause for concern for our planet's health. It reminds us of the importance of conserving biodiversity. Section 3. Our shared future, conservation, coexistence, and hope for bats. The future of bats, like that of so many species, depends on our actions. By embracing conservation, promoting coexistence, and fostering a greater appreciation for these fascinating creatures, we can ensure their survival and, in turn, the health of our planet. Protecting and restoring bat habitats is paramount to their survival. This includes preserving forests, wetlands, and other natural areas, as well as creating bat-friendly environments in urban and suburban areas through the installation of bat houses and the planting of native vegetation. Reducing our reliance on pesticides and promoting sustainable agricultural practices will not only benefit bats, but also protect human health and the environment. Supporting organic farming, integrated pest management, and other eco-friendly approaches can help to create a healthier planet for all. Educating ourselves and others about bats, dispelling myths, and promoting their ecological importance is crucial for fostering appreciation and inspiring conservation action. Sharing our knowledge with family, friends, and communities can help to shift perceptions and encourage bat-friendly behaviors. Supporting bat conservation organizations and research initiatives provides essential funding for conservation efforts, scientific research, and public education programs. By contributing our time, resources, or expertise, we can make a tangible difference in the fight to save bats. The challenges facing bats are significant but not insurmountable. By working together, embracing conservation, and promoting coexistence, we can create a brighter future for bats and ensure that these silent guardians of the night continue to grace our skies for generations to come.